Welcome to day 5 of our 7-day organization challenge. Today, we're introducing a simple yet powerful habit that can transform your day, a 5-minute morning reset. A quick reset in the morning can set a positive tone for your entire day. It's about taking just 5 minutes to tidy up, reset your space, and clear your mind. Step 1. Tidy up key areas. Focus on the spots that make the most impact, like your living room, kitchen counter, or entryway. A quick tidy up can instantly make your home feel more organized and welcoming. Step 2. Set your intentions. Take a moment to think about what you want to achieve today. Write down your top 3 priorities to help you stay focused and on track. Step 3. Prepare for the day ahead. Whether it's organizing your workspace, packing your bag, or prepping lunch, these small actions can help you feel ready and in control. And there you have it, a 5-minute morning reset that not only organizes your space but also sets the tone for a productive and stress-free day. Remember, small habits can have a big impact. Take 5 minutes each morning to reset your space and your mind, and see how it transforms your day. Get ready for tomorrow's challenge. Don't forget to share your progress with us using #7dayorganizeechallenge. We're excited to see how the 5-minute morning reset is working for you.